According to an analyst, the long-term outlook for XRP remains positive. Following the favorable resolution of the SEC litigation, prominent trader and analyst Michael Van de Poppy praised the price performance of XRP. The expert disclosed in the post that the remittance token was able to erase 15 months of losses in just 24 hours following the judgment in what he called a bull breakout. In addition, we will show how this study predicts that the price of XRP will hit $3. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we discuss the newest XRP news and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we'd like to extend a warm welcome. We encourage you to enable notifications so you never miss any video. We are pleased to announce that this channel is hosting a 200 XRP giveaway. To withstand all you have to do to be eligible to participate is subscribe to the channel and like this video. And use the hashtag XRP in your remark, and the winner will be announced today at the end of the video. Van de Poppy advised investors to allocate their cash properly in the future, use dollar cost averaging, and avoid being swayed by friends and social media. He closed the tweet by saying that a long-term perspective will be critical and investors should simply keep onto their XRP holdings. According to CoinMarketCap, the cryptocurrency was trading at $0.70 at the time of publication. This came after the altcoin posted a 0.51% loss in the previous 24 hours, bringing its weekly performance to 3.13%. In addition to losing ground against the US dollar, XRP fell behind the market leaders, Bitcoin and Ethereum, over the preceding 24 hours. Ripple's multi-year litigation with the SEC was settled on July 13, 2023, and it was determined that XRP is not a security. This resulted in a 70% plus surge in the following 24 hours. During this time, the altcoin's price increased from $0.46 to $0.93, turning the resistance level at $0.68 into support. The daily candle then closed at $0.81. On July 14, 2023, traders continued to profit, pushing the remittance token's price back below the crucial level of $0.76. Sellers then sought to knock XRP below the recently flipped $0.68 level, but bulls held firm and persevered in pushing XRP's price up to slightly above $0.84. XRP, on the other hand, was unable to close a daily candle above this level. Following the rejection from $0.84, XRP fell in the following days, dipping below $0.76 once more. XRP has been in a consolidation period for the last week, trading between $0.68 and $0.76 at press time. Summary judgment for Ripple victory adds to the complexity. Summary judgment for Ripple victory complicates Howey test analysis. According to Howey test analysis, Ripple's recent summary ruling in the ongoing XRP versus SEC litigation has sparked discussions and arguments among legal professionals and enthusiasts throughout the world. The Howey test, a critical legal test used to establish whether a transaction comprises an investment contract and is subject to securities regulations, is at the heart of the debate. Jeremy Hogan of On the Chain Live raised the subject of whether the test has been consistently followed in deciding if XRP should be categorized as a security in a new podcast. Hogan admitted that despite nearly 80 years since the Howey test's conception, there is still no clear case law providing decisive direction on the subject. While some legal experts are certain that XRP is unquestionably secure, others are skeptical, noting a lack of conclusive legal precedent. During the discussion, Hogan also addressed the opinions of many critics and public figures on the verdict, specifically Gary Gensler. Following the summary decision, the SEC's chair has stayed mute on the Commission's next measures. The legal community is debating the ramifications of this silence, as well as the issue's uncertainty. Hogan stressed the need for varied perspectives. People are insane for coming out, and the ruling is incorrect. I just believe they're wrong, but I don't think you can say, well, you're just crazy if you don't agree with what Judge Torres said. I believe there is a case to be made on both sides. As the XRP versus SEC litigation proceeds, the debate about the Howey test and the designation of XRP as security remains at the forefront. Legal professionals and the Bitcoin community alike are eagerly awaiting additional developments to acquire clarification on this important and complex topic. Deaton also agrees with Mark Cuban on XRP. Deaton agrees with Mark Cuban, claiming that the SEC's victory on appeal does not imply an outright victory. According to the SEC, winning on appeal does not imply outright victory. Even if the SEC wins on appeal, Attorney Deaton believes Judge Torres will issue the same finding in the Ripple case. In a recent tweet, pro-XRP lawyer John Deaton stated that even if the SEC's appeal was won, Judge Annalisa Torres will deliver the same verdict in the Ripple case. Deaton stated this in response to a tweet by American businessman Mark Cuban. SEC Chair Gary Gensler, according to Cuban, identifies Bitcoin holders as investors because it serves his purpose. Cuban highlighted an important point by wondering how many crypto projects still operate as traditional businesses in the industry. Furthermore, Cuban stated that the recent fall in crypto investment shows that the common enterprise for many tokens has come to an end. Attorney Deaton responded by saying Cuban made a solid point. For the SEC, the common enterprise component is more difficult. He stated that Judge Torres' decision on Ripple's programmatic sales did not focus on whether the third Howey criteria was satisfied because a common entity exists between the company and the whole XRP ecosystem. Deaton specifically stated that the SEC will have a more difficult time satisfying the enterprise component in Howey. According to Deaton, the judge disregarded the SEC's expert opinion on the subject. Furthermore, Attorney Deaton stated that Ripple filed thousands of affidavits from users who bought XRP for non-investment purposes. A similar judgment will be made by the judge. Judge Torres previously decided that Ripple's programmatic XRP sales on digital exchanges do not qualify as securities, as retail investors did not anticipate profit from the company's efforts. It is worth noting that the judge's decision was based only on the third element, Howey. Since the judge's decision, some securities lawyers have speculated that the verdict may be overturned by the Second Circuit. Meanwhile, Attorney Deaton stated that even if the SEC prevailed on appeal over the third factor in Howey, the case would be remanded to the Second Circuit. Judge Torres will then be able to apply the other two components of the Howey test. He went on to say that Judge Torres would almost certainly rule that the other two factors, money investment and common enterprise, are lacking in the XRP transactions that the SEC says are securities. Deaton predicted that the judge will still render the same decision in this circumstance. The Ripple CTO reacts after a consultant claims that XRP ledger pathfinding causes taxable events in the United States. Furthermore, Ripple's CTO reacts as a consultant, claiming that XRP ledger pathfinding causes taxable events in the United States. Fredo Ayala, an accounting professional with an MBA, highlighted a fascinating issue about the implications of XRP ledger, XRPL, pathfinding in a recent crypto Twitter debate. According to Ayala, if the pathfinding results in a transaction being settled within a single ledger and the prices remain unchanged between buying and selling, the tax implications fall primarily on the client. In this context, XRPL pathfinding means determining the best way to move XRP or other assets between two XRPL accounts. Ayala stated that if prices change during the pathing process, the situation becomes more complicated, with different ramifications in Europe. The accounting specialist advised that USD-denominated payments or stablecoin-based ledger transactions are preferable. He is skeptical that USGAP or the tax system would evolve quickly to accept these creative methods. Ayala stated that the crypto CEO's accountant had confirmed his claim. Meanwhile, Neil Hartner, a senior developer at Ripple focusing on on-demand liquidity, ODL, inquired about an instance involving a USD to EUR Ross currency payment. When auto-bridged utilizing USD to XRP and subsequently XRP to EUR, Ayala claimed that such transactions would result in a taxable event. The taxable event in this situation, he claims, would be the sale of XRP for EUR. The net impact of this event would be assessed by whether or not it resulted in a gain or loss relative to the initial cost basis at the time of acquisition. Matt Hamilton, a former Ripple developer, on the other hand, wanted clarification on non-blockchain payments. He highlighted an instance in which GBP was sent to BBD, but it was converted to USD via a correspondent bank. Ayala pointed out that, unlike decentralized exchanges, the correspondent bank must declare gains and losses due to its legal structure. However, the payment entity making the transfer would only be responsible for taking into account the relative difference in exchange rates between GBP and BBD at the time of payment of the settlement. In response to the debates, Ripple's CTO, David Schwartz, it should be noted that the need to report has no bearing on whether or not a transaction is taxable. Profits and gains, according to Schwartz, are taxable income for the party who earns them. The price of XRP is expected to reach $3. Here's why, according to this analysis. Finally, XRP is predicted to surpass $3 in value. Here's why, according to this analysis. An analyst's prediction that Ripple's native token, XRP, will reach new all-time highs has created a big stir in recent conversations about the digital currency. The prognosis is based on the apparent bullish trend in the token's price movement, which appears to be exerting its market dominance. Will the price of XRP hit $3? The creation of an ascending triangle pattern in XRP's price action is principally responsible for the optimistic outlook. In technical analysis, ascending triangles are often seen as positive signs, indicating that a higher breakout is likely. When noticed under the correct market conditions, the pattern can typically signal the onset of a large price rally. The barrier level that XRP must overcome before the bullish momentum can truly take off is one of the major roadblocks in its path. Analysts say that if XRP can break above this $1 barrier level, it will spark a rally that will take the cryptocurrency to new all-time highs, maybe hitting $3. We will now reveal the winner of the 200 XRP. The winner is displayed on the screen. Congratulations. And don't worry if you didn't win, we'll have another giveaway on August 15. So, gentlemen, we've reached the end of this video. If you liked it, please spread the word. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and click the notify button. This is quite beneficial to my understanding of the YouTube algorithm. You can also aid to enlighten others, exactly like. Sharing this video with as many people as possible has enlightened you. Guys, let's spread this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency enthusiast, you should not miss any of our stuff. See you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects us all as a community.